So I'm going to start my lustre preparation. I'm going to be wearing a mask, so I'm not going to be able to talk while I'm doing this. I'll do a voiceover afterwards, but I am using Duncan Essence, which is for washing the brush and cleaning it afterwards. I have one brush I always keep just for using with this lustre, and I'm using a gold lustre, which apparently now has been discontinued. It also is important apparently not to shake this bottle. So I'm going to put my mask on and get stuck in, and I'll try and do a voiceover as I go.
First step is to use rubbing alcohol on a bit of tissue and wipe over all the areas of the pottery that you can apply the gold lustre to and let it dry. Some people say it helps if the pottery is a little bit warm when you apply the lustre. When you're applying the lustre, it's always important that you have one brush that you keep with that one specific lustre for its life. Keep it in a special space. You wash your brush first with the thinning solution or the cleaning solution, and then apply the tiniest bit of lustre. You really want the colour to be grinning through. You don't want it dark and pooling. It gets the best results when it's super thin, so you don't use very much at all. It's used quite sparsely. And then I fire to a cone 018. It's a short firing, and it doesn't take long to fire up at all. Wash your brush at the end with the thinning solution, and you're all done.
Hello, this is Nicky from Hartley Nobel. I'm sorry, I've got a cold hand.
It's okay.
And I am.
And who am I? And where are we?
Jeanette from Far Forest Ceramics, and I've been invited to do a glazing day. We're having a glazing play date, but Jeanette has kept her kiln openings so she can share them with me. So
we've just done a big one, but this is a tiny kiln opening, and it's a lustre firing. So what that means is putting gold lustre, real gold, onto pieces.
Gold?
Yes. So it's 2 cone 018. So it's a very cold firing. It's a short firing.
Oh, okay.
And I've got a little video that I'm going to do of how I apply the gold lustre, but I just wanted to highlight, I've done some Christmas trees that we've just opened out of the other kiln, but I've done them in a white clay body, and I've highlighted the baubles with gold lustre and some luminaires that are in a really ivory tones. I'm highlighting some stars with some gold lustre. So there's not many pieces in here.
Magic. Oh, wow.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
God, it's really
beautiful.
It's like a jewel. That's
I
gorgeous.
don't even know if this is picking it up. That's really nice. I don't know what this random
so the sunlight can get on it.
I don't know why I've got this random little dot here that appeared when I did the glaze firing. So these go through a glaze firing, and then you put them through a third firing to add the gold lustre on. I like that.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
That's very nice. And then some luminaires, which I've highlighted some of the stars.
Can you imagine that with a candle behind it? Those stars
that should be really
are
pretty.
Shimmer, yeah.
I don't like this one dribble here. So Sarah at Sarah Hallam Ceramics said, just dig out the big crystals when you put it on and just pick them off.
It's like a shooting star, that one.
Yeah, it looks like it's had a bit of an accident.
Yeah, or an incontinent star.
Yeah, it's had a bit of a diarrhea going on. And I didn't do every star. They're really lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, gorgeous.
Really nice.
How do you get? Is it just? Do you just paint it on? Is it just?
Yeah, there is a technique that you have to use an essence to clean the brushes with. So there's a little mini video I'll put on there with that as well. But it's nice. The essence, the gold lustre, is expensive. It's a little tiny bottle for like about £50–60.
Is it?
But it lasts you a long time. Tiny bit goes on. And then some of these luminaires popped open.
Okay.
And I thought, well, actually, that could be quite nice with, like the Yankee Candle little small glasses. Yeah. I thought that could be quite nice in there.
Do you know what? It's literally perfect size for that.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. And I love that with the, can you hold that one for me? So I had 3 that popped out in the same sort of like degree. Quite a nice swirl.
Really nice. Really nice kitchen towel holder, this sort of shape as well.
Oh. I don't know how you... It might... I don't know.
Thought for another day, not today.
Okay, and then we have just a few more on the bottom.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Doesn't that look lovely?
Oh, they're all stunning. shimmers in the light, literally. Beautiful.
I
Stop
love
being
that.
unprofessional.
I love
One
that.
video at a time.
No, it's great. This is what we need to do. That was lovely, actually, how you had it in the sunlight there.
Yeah, the sun really brings out the glaze. And what glaze have you used on the clay? Is that just one glaze?
What did I put on those? Because I did have, is it pearl white? Spectrum's pearl white times 2 coats. And
it's got almondy, peachy, pinky.
I love how it's actually
it's
grinning
just...
through, so you can see the clay body a little bit in it.
Yeah.
And I'd love to see if I can if you can hold that in the sunlight for me, and if I can see if I can capture and take it. It's not really capturing it.
Move the plate instead of the camera.
It's not really capturing it. That's a shame, because they're all in the sunlight now. So, a very quick kiln opening, but I made these with the Hartley Nobel Christmas tree drape molds and stacking set of 3 that you can have.
There's the smallest one.
Is this the smallest one?
Oh, look.
Cute.
Makes such
What
a
a
lovely
beautiful
centerpiece at
I
Christmas.
love that gold on there.
We have like a naughty table at Christmas where it's just a really high calorie, no nutritional value table.
Yes.
And these would look so beautiful on it with biscuits or chocolates or...
So you're going to need to go and get some moulds out the warehouse and have a go for Christmas. This would be super easy to do.
Yeah.
Well, I say super easy.
No.
You need to be able to slip trail. And
apart from that, and buy gold. And yeah, it's not super easy.
No, it's not the best hand building project either to do if you've not done it before. Lovely. So we're done. We're now going to get stuck in to what Nicky's come here for, which is a glaze fest.
Yes.
So Nicky's brought some of her bisqueware that she's been making as a potter.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a go at some glazing today. So hopefully we'll do a little bit of footage of that somewhere through the day. See you again soon. Bye.
Bye.